Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. We have a value pack of Donruss Elite 2024, 30 cards in a pack. I'm not going to go through what we can pull because there's a lot of stuff. Let's just see what we can get. We'll start from the beginning. There's an insert on the front. Full Throttle, Rashid Shaheed, number 20. Will Shipley, rookie card. CeeDee Lamb, pink parallel. Puka Nacua, Rhamondre Stevenson, Marquez Colston, Myles Garrett, John Elway, Lawrence Taylor, Joe Burrow, Ray Lewis, A.J. Brown, Tank Dell, C.J. Stroud, Demario Douglas, Jeremiah Trotter, Roquan Smith, CeeDee Lamb, Anthony Richardson, Brock Purdy, Alex Anzalone, Mike Evans, Amari Cooper, Bobby Okereke, Emmitt Smith, Micah Parsons, Cameron Jordan, Matthew Stafford, Jordan Love, and last but not least, Raheem Mostert. Alright, thanks for watching, folks. Have a good one, and remember to subscribe if you want to comment. If you want to, follow for more. Have a great day.